What does leadership mean to you?
Leadership means bringing up your whole team, looking after everyone around you, progressing as a team, as a family, as a group. That's what leadership means to me.
Yeah.
Improving, changing, being able to adjust.
Lovely. Can you tell me a little bit about your story, and I guess if there was a defining moment in your leadership journey that stands out to you?
So I'm the director of Renewed. We refurbish laptops and we repair laptops. I got into it in 2020 and we had to change the whole model to survive in the new age, basically. Laptops are coming out every year, every day. It's news that we have to do that. Yeah.
So what are some of the challenges that you faced in that industry to have to, I guess, rise above that?
Changing the structure, doing new things, opening up to new markets, doing brand new laptops, repairing laptops, a little bit of everything we had to do. You had to open up the market basically for us. Yeah.
And in those kind of difficult moments, having to make tough decisions, how do you keep going? How do you gain strength in those moments?
With team and family. That's what you need. You need a good team and need a good family to support you and help you push further.
Yeah, and what would be some of your core values, or what does leadership mean to you?
Leadership means you have to bring everyone up around you, you have to look after everyone, and you have to trust your group, and if you can't trust them, you won't be able to go further.
And for anyone perhaps thinking about starting a business or is going through a difficult time at the moment, what would be your advice?
You have to be able to adapt and change. If you can't change, you won't be able to get anywhere.
Lovely. Thank you very much.